Alright, so what I'm going to show you now is how to do a works cited page. This is probably going to be the last thing you do in your paper. So if you have your paper already written up, everything looks good, we're going to go down underneath conclusion. We're going to get to a new page. You can either just enter down or go to insert, page break, either one. First thing I'm going to do is center, all caps, and type works cited. This lets us know that we're on the works cited page. So how do we create one? The first thing we got to do is go to this little button right here, paragraph settings, change it to a hanging indent, hit OK. So when we put something in, it's going to have the hanging indent, or it starts on this one on the first line, then it indents over to this one on the second. So let's say, for example, we're going to create one of our website sources. The first thing we have to do is go to ncysal.org, click over to middle school, citation maker right here, click that. Now remember, you have to put in a number to make it go away. Now pretty much all we use were websites, so we're going to click website article, and now you're just filling in the information. So if we use the same one that I used earlier, we'll go to Guam tourist attractions and find the site that I used right here. Alright, so everything you need to know is either going to be at the top or at the bottom. So it looks like everything we're going to need is going to be up here at the top. So the first thing it asks about is author. How many? Well, if we look at our articles, just one author, Jessica Peterson. We go back to cite my sources, one author, and we put in her name. Now the great thing about MLA is if you don't know something, you don't have to put it. Just skip it. So if you have an article that doesn't tell you the author, or it doesn't tell you the title of the website or the publisher or anything like that, we can just skip that and we don't have to worry about it. Alright, so the title, I'm doing an article, title of the source, so that's the title of the actual article. So we go back, 10 things you can only do on Guam. Let's type that up. And then the title of the container. If we look up here, it says the Guam Guide, so that's the name of the website. Alright, publisher. More than likely you're not going to know the publisher unless it's something that actually cites it for you, so I wouldn't worry about that. Now, can we determine a date? If you notice, like I said, it's either going to be at the top or the bottom probably. We have a date right there, January 5th, 2016. So yes, January 15th, 2016. Oh, January 5th, I'm sorry. So the last part you're going to put in is the URL, so all you have to do for that, click up here, highlight this, and you can copy it. I'm going to copy, go down here, paste. So that's everything we have, right? That's everything we have for that article. So all you have to do is click create citation below. Now the thing about this site is it will continue to make a list down, but it will not put it in alphabetical order. So remember, when you do your works cited page, it needs to be in alphabetical order, meaning it needs to go A, B, C, D. So all we have to do here, highlight this, copy, come here, and I just hit keep text only because that's going to keep it in the same font that you want it. Now for these, we want these to be single spaced, but we want to have a space in between them when we're typing. So the actual citation is going to be single spaced, but then the whole page itself is going to be double spaced. So you can go create your next one, whatever you need to put in, hit create citation below, and like I said, it'll keep going down, but it won't put them in alphabetical order. So make sure you're doing that on your own page. Alright? That's how you create a works cited page.